If you're having difficulties in editing your profile on Instagram, in today's video, let me show you a couple of steps that you can try out to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can do to immediately solve this issue, and what is likely the case, is you can just hop out of the Instagram app that you're currently using and then open it up again. By doing this step alone, you should be able to fix, and most of the times it will get fixed. But if this is not the issue for you, what you can try out is try to clear the cache and data of your Instagram app. Tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info, and then tap on the clear data option. If you're using an iOS device, you need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload your application. Now, apart from this, what you can also look for is any new updates available for Instagram. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then just search for Instagram. If you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. Now, after by doing all of these steps, if you're still facing the issue, what you can try out is try editing your profile using a browser. So open up a browser either on your desktop or from your mobile as well. Search for Instagram.com, tap on the login option, and make sure you add in your credentials. Using this process as well and using a browser, you should be able to edit your profile and make all of the necessary changes that you want. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.